Still mowing your lawn every weekend? What if I told you that grass is out, and these new garden trends are not only cooler, they're smarter, more sustainable, and a lot more fun? Smash that like button if you're ready to ditch the lawn and grow something epic in 2025. And let's dive into what's trending right now. What it is: replacing traditional lawns with fruits, vegetables, herbs, and edible flowers. Why it's hot in 2025. More homeowners are opting for foodscaping, combining aesthetics and function. Google Trends shows a 400% spike in searches for front yard vegetable garden in the past year. Local ordinances across the U.S. are being updated to allow edible front yards, especially in urban food deserts. Popular picks: dwarf fruit trees, colorful rainbow chard, purple basil, nasturtiums, edible and beautiful. Why it matters. Native bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds are under threat. Pollinator gardens are replacing turf to boost biodiversity and support local ecosystems. Hot tip: use native wildflowers like milkweed, bee balm, and black-eyed Susan. They require less water and attract essential pollinators. Trend watch: robotic weeders like the Turtle, from the creator of Roomba, are gaining popularity in 2025. These solar-powered bots roll through your garden, eliminating weeds without herbicides. Other popular gadgets: Bluetooth moisture meters and smart irrigation systems like Ratio 3, automatically adjust watering based on weather. Gardeners report 30–50% water savings with smart tech. What's new? Self-heating raised beds using small-scale solar panels allow for earlier spring planting and extended fall harvests. This is especially trending in zones 5–7, where shorter seasons used to limit production. Pro tip: DIY kits are becoming widely available through companies like GrowNext, or build your own using affordable low-voltage heating mats. What they are: gravel gardens, low-maintenance, drought-tolerant, Mediterranean-style setups. Clover lawns, soft, walkable, no mowing, stays green with less water. 2025. Stat: over 1 in 5 new homeowners are opting for no-mow or low-mow alternatives, according to a recent House Landscape report. Why people love them: save on water and maintenance. Clover fixes nitrogen in the soil, natural fertilizer for nearby plants. Blended style trend: mixing minimalist zen with wild native plant zones is gaining traction. Think smooth stone paths weaving through tall ornamental grasses, seed heads, and native perennials. Goal: create a sense of peace and allow natural processes like seed dispersal, overwintering pollinators, and carbon capture. The future of gardening isn't about perfection. It's about purpose, sustainability, and beauty that feeds both you and the planet. Ready to trade in your lawnmower for a compost fork? Don't forget to subscribe for more sustainable gardening ideas, step-by-step how-tos, and the newest trends every gardener should know. Drop a comment. Which of these 2025 trends are you excited to try in your yard this year?